Welcome to our channel. Stop-loss orders help protect your investments by automatically selling when prices drop to a specified level. Here's how to set them up on Binance. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the trading interface. Select either Spot for regular trading or Futures for leveraged positions depending on where your assets are held. Step 2. Find the trading pair for the cryptocurrency you want to protect. Type the ticker symbol in the search bar at the top of the trading interface. Step 3. Locate the order entry section, usually on the left side of the screen. Look for the order type drop-down menu and select Stop Limit Order. Step 4. Enter the stop price, which is the price point that triggers your order to activate. This should be below the current market price at a level where you've decided to limit your potential losses. Step 5. Set the limit price, which is the minimum price you're willing to accept when the order executes. Typically, set this slightly below your stop price to ensure the order fills during volatile moments. Step 6. Input the quantity of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can enter a specific amount or click the percentage buttons to select a portion of your holdings. Step 7. Review all order details carefully, including the stop price, limit price, and quantity. Verify these parameters match your risk management strategy. Step 8. Click Sell to place the stop-loss order. The order will remain active until triggered by the market reaching your stop price or until you manually cancel it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.